Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sort apps on Android phone. Alright guys, first thing first, we need to go to our app screen on our Android phone. And this is my app screen. And if you want to sort application on this app screen, we can click on the three dots on the top right. And since we want to sort application, we can select the sort option. Okay, like this. And here we have two options. We can select the custom order or alphabetical order. And for me, I'm gonna go with this alphabetical order. So the application will be sorted by the alphabetical order. Again, this is how it looks. And if we select the alphabetical order, we cannot move the application. The application cannot be repositioned, as you can see. I'm trying to move the Zoom application, but it cannot be moved. And if you use the custom order, you can move the application as you want. I'm going to select custom order and we can order it as we like, guys. For example, I'm going to place the TikTok application near the InShot application like this, and I'm going to move my WhatsApp right here. Okay, and I guess that's how we can sort application on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.